This question is taken from CHIJ, St. Nicholas Girls' School, 2022 year assessment, question 16. Let's take a look at what the question says. Ty, Lenny, and Mina folded some paper stars all together. Ty folded 1/3 as many paper stars as Lenny. So this is crucial. The 1 unit goes to Ty, and the 3 units goes to Lenny. Mina folded 1/6 of the total number of paper stars that Ty and Lenny folded. So in this case, 1 unit goes to Mina, and 6 units goes to Ty and Lenny. Then Mina folded additional paper stars. As a result, she had half of the total number of paper stars that Ty and Lenny folded. The 3 children folded a total of 504 paper stars in the end. How many more paper stars did Ty did Lenny fold? And how many additional paper stars did Mina fold? Again, this is a very information-packed question. So let's try to unpack whatever that we see here. We have Ty, we have Lenny, and we have Mina. So Ty folded 1/3 as many paper stars as Lenny. I will start out by saying that Ty has 1 unit of paper stars, and Lenny has 3 units of paper stars. Now next, Mina folded 1/6 of the total number of paper stars that Ty and Lenny folded. Okay, 1/6. 1/6 would mean that if I were to take Ty and Lenny's units of paper stars, and if I were to add it up, well, that makes 4 units. But it's so difficult to divide 4 units by 6. Let's consider how we may find an equivalent ratio or equivalent fraction, however you may see it in terms of proportion, so that this number here at the end of the day, when combined, is something that can be divided by 6. That would make the 1/6 units more meaningful. Okay, and the number will be round. It won't be like a decimal or a fraction, which can be very hard to work out. So let's see, if I consider the total being 4, second multiple of 4, that would make 8, but 8 is not divisible by 6. How about 4 times 3? 4 times 3 makes 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 6. And in order for us to get 12 as a total number of units here, right, we have to multiply this 1 unit and 3 unit by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. That ends up with 3 units for Ty, 9 units for Lenny. And in total, we are looking at 12 units here. Okay, so these are the units we want to pay attention to, and not the ones in blue. Okay, now with regards to this, Mina folded 1/6 of these 12 units. So 1/6 of that means that we take 1/6 of the 12 units, and that would mean that Mina would have folded 2 units worth of paper stars. Okay, as a result, before that, Mina folded additional paper stars after she had done the 2 units of it. And as a result, she had half the total number of paper stars that Ty and Lenny folded. Okay. So if I were to add on, these 2 units would be the number of stars before. Okay. And if I want to consider the number of stars that Mina has after, that would be half the total number of paper stars Ty and Lenny folded. So Ty and Lenny folded 12 units. If it's half of it, that would make 6 units in the end. So this would be the number of stars after. The 3 children folded a total of 504 stars in the end. Okay, now what is 504 made up of? At the end of the day, Ty will have folded 3 units of paper stars, Lenny 9 units, and Mina is the one who folded extra after that, right? And she would have folded 6 units worth of it. So if we add up these three numbers, it will be 504 altogether. So 3u plus 9u plus 6u, that gives you 504. So we can say that 18u is 504. Hence, 1u would be 504 divided by 18. Okay, and we will end up with 28. At this point, if we can get our 1 unit as a whole number, we are likely to be on the right track. So how many more paper stars than pi did Lenny fold? So Lenny folded 9 units, Pi folded 3 units. So the difference in units will be 6u. 6 times 28, and that would give 168. So that will be the solution for A. For B, how many additional stars did Mina fold? So from 2 units, Mina's stars jumped all the way to 6 units. So she folded an extra 4 units worth of stars. So how many is this? So 4 units would give you 4 times of 28. That would be 112. So this is the solution for question 16.